Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Ameya, and in today's video, we will be discussing three core dimensions of sustainability, that is environmental, economic, and social. Each of these dimensions play a crucial role in creating a balanced approach towards sustainability, ensuring that we meet our needs today without compromising the ability of future generation to meet theirs. Now let us take a look at each dimension individually to understand it better. First, environmental sustainability. This dimension focuses on conserving natural resources and protecting ecosystems. Essentially, it's about making sure we use resources responsibly so that our planet remains healthy and resilient for our future generations. Environmental sustainability means reducing our impact on the environment by minimizing pollution, cutting down wastes, and transitioning to the renewable energy sources. For example, many companies today are switching to the renewable energy source like solar energy or wind power to reduce their carbon emission. By using clean energy, they are not only cutting their carbon footprint but also helping to combat climate change. The next one is economic sustainability. This dimension is about making financially sound decisions that also respect environmental and social consideration. It ensures that growth is both responsible and equitable, so economic stability can be maintained in long term. Economic sustainability focuses on finding a balance between making profits and achieving social and environmental goals. For example, some companies invest in sustainable technologies such as energy efficient machinery or fair trade practices. By doing so, they are not only support the economy by creating jobs, but also they reduce their environmental impact and uphold ethical standards. Lastly, we have a social sustainability, which is centered on improving the quality of life for an individual or for the community. This dimension ensures that everyone has access to high quality of life both now and in future. Social sustainability includes supporting social equity, community well-being, and equal opportunities for all. Companies that prioritize diversity, equity, and inclusion within their workforce are promoting social sustainability. By creating a workplace that values each individual's contribution, they foster more equitable and supportive society. In conclusion, there can be different approaches to implement these dimensions of sustainability. So if you take an example like this, if your product is social and economic, it is equitable. If your product is social and environmental, it's bearable. And if it is towards economic and dimensional environmental dimension, it is viable. And if a company tries to focus on all three, then it is a fully sustainable product. In conclusion, the entire three dimensions of sustainability, environmental, economic, and social, work together to create a balanced long term approach to sustainable development. By integrating these dimensions in your product or company, you can make you can work towards solutions that support the planet, strengthen the economy, and the uplifting the communities. That's all about this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, do subscribe my channel and follow this playlist for more videos on design for sustainability. Thank you for joining.